So guys, sa lahat ng mga gamers dyan ng MMORPG, try nyo ito, i-watch, baka magustuhan nyo ang bagong laro na to, yung Legion of Ymir. Made by WeMade, free to play, may NFT din, you can earn money if you want. At mag-open na siya sa October 28, 2025. This year guys, this year. Sige, watch muna natin yung trailer video nila.
You must hurry and bring the ether we will use for the sacrificial offering. So, you've brought ether. What world is going on? Has it begun already?
It's an ambush! We're being attacked! Everyone run!
Find the human woman with the prison goblin!
Seekers! It's an emergency!
We need to fight her at once with Lipta. Good. Lena, go to the altar and rescue Brunhild. Prison goblin.
Vector, Morgan.
So ayun guys, grand launch nila sa October 28, 2025, 12 PM this year. So yung may planong maglaro ng o may experience lang ng laro ng Legend of Ymir, habang hindi pa nag-up, pre-register muna kayo guys, kasi pag naka-pre-register kayo, may bibigay dyan pag up ng server. So ito yung freebies nila. So ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Mag pre-register na kayo. And let's go to Legend of Ymir. I'm out.